This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 58 Case Studies III. In this video, practical application of learned knowledge is emphasized through two projects, a calculator and a quiz game app. The calculator project starts simple, but gradually adds features like handling bracketed expressions and error handling. Its appearance can also be customized, and localization support is added. The second project is a quiz game app inspired by Kaun Banega Crorepati. Questions pop up from a repository, and users select answers, with suspect and 50-50 options decreasing scores. Just like the real show, a database server is needed to store questions and options, and different tables are created for different topics. The quiz game app features a GUI with question display, option selection, and scoring logic. It also includes network connectivity via sockets and database integration via JDBC. The UI is further improved to mimic KBC with more buttons and choices. While treating it as a learning project, the emphasis is on encouraging creativity and introducing novel elements. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.